The MK120 is new, the first in Switzerland. It's much nicer to drive, much more stable thanks to the 6 meters shorter boom.
The maneuverability is very good. It can be steered with either axle. You can really get into the narrowest alleyways here. The MK120 is particularly suitable because it requires little space on the ground and has a high load capacity. The cost effectiveness is excellent because we can deploy the crane very quickly. We don't need to add ballast because the load capacity is already very good. With variable support, we can work really well here. We now also have the Liebherr trailer here in Bern, so that we have low noise emissions and few other emissions. And this in turn is great news for residents.
The new display with touchscreen is luxury. Everything is superbly set up for operating and driving. Really great.
We are using our MK120 for the first time today. The task is to place the emergency roof elements on the old houses, by which we mean we have to set down the elements, which weigh up to 2.5 tons, with a boom radius of 45 meters.
Now, with this crane here, the boom was just right. With a larger one, we would have had to bring in additional ballast. With the short boom and the ballasting here, it was a perfect fit. And if you have to wait for a bit and have a little break, you can relax a little at the back and enjoy the view. Bern, the old town, looking tip-top in the beautiful weather.